How to sign up for a PAL session. From within the Penji interface, navigate left to the Other Communities menu. Select the tab labeled SCC PAL Program. Make sure that the new screen you see is labeled SCC PAL Program. If not, cancel by pressing the X button to return to the previous screen and try again. You can cancel using the X button at any time. Once you are here, press the Join Community button. Welcome to the PAL community. Make sure that you are on the Learn tab. If the Learn tab is not highlighted, simply press the Learn tab in the left-hand menu. Now let's sign up for a peer-assisted learning session. To do so, press the Join a PAL Beacon Group Session button located towards the center of the screen. Press the Join a Class button to continue. You may now select a class from the list provided by your institution to get PAL sessions for. Browse the classes by manually scrolling, or quickly search by typing its name in the search bar. If there is more than one listing for the same class, pick the one followed by the name of your instructor. Once you've selected a class, sections will be shown. Find PAL sessions that work with your schedule. Keep in mind that sessions are still being added up to week 3. If you are looking for a specific group session and are not seeing it, please try again later. Select a session listing by pressing it, then press the Join button that appears beneath it. Exit the Edit Classes interface by pressing the X button towards the top right of the screen. This takes you back to the updated SCC PAL Program Learn tab. Now you'll see a list of your PAL leaders and your session activity. PAL sessions that you've signed up for can be organized by pressing the filter buttons at the top of the activity section. They can be organized by upcoming session, by days of the week, and by tutor, or in this case, PAL leader. Well done! Now you know all you need to about signing up for a PAL session through the Penji application. Look for notification of your PAL session in your college email. You should have, or shortly receive, an email notification from Penji. If you do not see the email, please check your spam folder. You can access your spam folder from scrolling down the left-hand menu and selecting it from the list. To prevent losing your Penji emails in 30 days from receiving them in the spam folder, click the checkmark next to them and press Not Spam. This will move the emails to your inbox. Make sure to also add no reply at app.penjiapp.com to your contacts list to prevent any more Penji emails from being automatically sent to the spam folder. Do so by clicking the Google Apps menu in the top right of the screen, just left of the Los Rios branding and your account icon. Then, click Contacts. In the new tab that appears, click Create Contact, and type no reply at app.penjiapp.com in the email field. Enter any other identifying details if you prefer and then press the Save button. From now on, all of your Penji notification emails should appear in your inbox. Click the email to open it from your inbox and review your session details. On the day and time of the PAL session that you signed up for, You can join the session's Zoom meeting by one of two methods. First is directly by clicking the session's hyperlink, and second is by manually inputting the session's meeting ID into Zoom. To use the first method, simply click the hyperlink provided in the notification email and follow the prompts that appear from Zoom. To use the second session joining method, copy the session's meeting ID from the notification email. Go to zoom.us/join. Input the meeting ID in the field provided, and press the blue Join button. If the Join button is still gray, you may be missing digits. Check your code and try again. Both methods will allow you to launch the Zoom application and put you in the virtual waiting room until your PAL session begins. In the case that you cannot locate your Penji notification email to retrieve the link nor meeting ID, you can access these details within the Penji application. Start from the Programs Learn tab. Under your activity, click the session in question. This will redirect you to the group session details page. It provides the meeting ID and an Open in Zoom button, which works the same as the email notifications link when pressed. Now you're all set for joining PAL Peer Assisted Learning.